Hello, this is Philip Myers of PEMY Consulting. Today we have a safety moment that will be of interest to you. It's about visualizing the spread of COVID-19. But first, what is a safety moment? Many companies start important meetings with a safety moment. It's the very first thing that's done. Why? Because it shows that it is a top priority. It shows that management and leadership care about the values of health, safety, and the environment. If you have not used a safety moment in your company before, you can use this one, or you can ask us if you need additional safety moments. We'd be happy to provide those to you. I want to acknowledge our team on this video, and especially Andy Wong, who did the data munging and programming for the visualization. We have not seen this kind of presentation before. The animation shows the growth of COVID-19 by every county in the United States from early January to today, April 5th. We'll update this weekly in the future. Okay, here we are with this growth and spread simulation of COVID-19. We start on January 25th. Here is a point of a case for COVID-19. You can see the small red dots are 1. This is 10,000, 30,000, and 50,000 for the bigger bubbles. Alright, so let's get this thing started. You can see the dates counting down, January 25th, 26th, a few points in Washington, Illinois, and California, Arizona. Got one in Massachusetts. Doesn't look like much is happening. We're up to February 25th. Now there are more points showing up. Wisconsin, Illinois. A bunch of points just showed up. We have March 11th, 12th, 13th. 14th, 15th. Things are really ramping up on the east, as you can see, and there's hot spots in Washington, California, and LA. And you see the larger size bubbles here. Now there's a couple points in the Hawaiian Islands and also Alaska. We're going to stop here because this was the last update, April 5. You can see that the density is pretty high, more so on the East Coast than the West Coast, but the large bubbles tell you where the big concentrations are. Because we're in the growth phase of COVID-19, this animation is a great way to see what exponential growth actually looks like. We aren't quite yet at the peak, and in our updates you'll see that the growth will slow down and actually start to decrease. The most important point of this is that you should be doing the social distancing, washing your hands, protecting yourself and others. I'd like to acknowledge that the data came from Johns Hopkins and the New York Times websites for this data. Thank you and stay safe.